Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make yeast-free cinnamon rolls. They're so quick and easy to make, and they can be ready in about an hour. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees, and then in a large bowl add in the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the plain Greek yogurt and melted butter and mix them together until the ingredients start coming together. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. Then turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and knead it just until it becomes smooth. Try not to overwork the dough. Then lightly flour the surface again. Place the dough on top and lightly flour the top of the dough and roll it out until it's about 16 inches long and 10 inches wide. If your dough keeps pulling back when you roll it out, then let it rest for about 10 minutes and then continue rolling it again. Then spread the softened butter all over the top of the dough. Then in a small bowl mix together the brown sugar and cinnamon and sprinkle it over the top of the dough and use the back of a spoon to spread it out evenly. Then roll up the dough into a log. Then cut it into 10 pieces. To help retain the shape of the rolls, use a piece of dental floss to cut them. Then grease an 8-inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and place each of the rolls into the pan, giving them space so they can spread. Then bake them in the oven for about 30 minutes or until they turn a light golden brown color on top. To make the glaze, in a small bowl, add the powdered sugar and heavy cream. You can adjust that amount to how thick or thin you would like the glaze to be, and just mix them together until they're combined. Once the cinnamon rolls are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for 15 minutes, and spread the glaze all over the top while they're still warm. And that's how to make yeast-free cinnamon rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.